Hello guys, my name is Chloe Wardle. I'm going to show you how to find the top 5 seeds on this map. You're gonna opt-in, going to texture packs, going to CD texture pack. Okay, this one is top 5 seed. Top 5. The seed one is a 1, 2, 3. Done. This one is a trees, flowers, gonna rabbits, here is bunnies. And there is a which one is here. Then you're going to make this one here. There's a crafting table. And this one is which and the flower pot. Okay, next one is going to top 4. Okay, going to show you how to make top 4. Seed 1. It's a final. Here it is. This one is to village here. This one is for rains. Here is a village. Going to make a chest. Here one obsidian, apple, ink sack. Here is an ink sack. There is a stronghold. You need to get a portal in because you need to go into a copy. Then the next video going to make a find. There is a cassia. There is a desert biome here. Okay. You need to get to find the stronghold. You need a portal in the room. And see, here is a chest. You need a obsidian and gold ingot. Here is another one. Is then on the desert temple get, and this one is village again. Okay, next top 3. To show you that this one is glitch. Not again. Gonna find. Three. CVSG. Okay. Then I'm going to night vision here. Can find the stronghold. The stronghold seed. You need to get to find the ocean because the portal landed. You need to get to find the exposit here. You need to copy the subscribe to this link a video. Can show you the down here. And here is the stronghold one. You know the portal end because you couldn't find the ender pearl. You need to get the ender eye. So you need to go into next top 2 seed. Okay, they're going to made because the other quite the exit up. You need to get to find ender pearl. Okay, they're going to show you how to play. Top 2. This one is a cup. Done. Here is a village one here. The Rock Village. There's a nice spikes biome. And it's 2 water. There's a broken here. Okay. Here is a Dark Rock Village here. This one is a rabbit snow here. Here is a blacksmith one. They're all blacksmiths once again. Okay, they're going to make a chest. Open a bread and ink sack. Okay, here is a going to last seed. Then they're going to make. Okay, top 6 seed. Top 1 last that. This one is seed. You need a kaboom. Okay, here is a village snow one. The blacksmith here. Here is a one. You need to get There is a ox building here. Let's go. Okay, there is a limes tree and an emerald and a bread. You need to get fine. Ah, stop this village. You need to find and let's see to find the emperor room. Here is a stronghold. You know found end room. You know found end room here. Do not forget to like and subscribe. You gotta like the video. Oh, the other way are going to 4 p.m. because it's 3:59 o'clock. Oh, there's two glitch again. Top 0. Last. This one is 140-480-9164. Okay, there is a snow village here. Blacksmith 1. Here is, and they're going to make. That is the one blacksmith one here. There is all the items. Yeah, all the items. Here is one village here and another one here. The other one here is the mystery here. The other fine. Let's see how the snow here. Let's see, and the stronghold you need to get fine because the one is not fine one eye because this one is down here. There is the stronghold. That it ends at the bedrock here. Okay, like and subscribe more videos. Kawaii World Seeds. Okay, go.